Hey guys, it's Hardik from WotNot. In this video, we'll go over all the new updates we rolled out in June 2024. So let's get started. Number one is the AI Studio 2.0. We've launched AI Studio almost a few months back, and we've got a ton of feedback from all our users. And we've made some drastic changes to how knowledge bases are built on WotNot. That's right, we changed the name from AI models to knowledge bases, and this is what it looks like now. So we show a grid-like format where you can see all the data sources that you have added to this knowledge base. And data sources can be added in three ways. You can either add a URL or a domain, you can add a piece of text, or you can upload your set of documents by uploading those files. So when you upload all these files, they are instantly trained here, and you will be able to see their statuses. And if something is already trained, you can click on it and see all the chunks that have been extracted from that data source. And this is important because what is extracted from that page is what the AI will use to generate an answer. So if you don't find your answer here, it means there is something wrong in the extraction, or that document does not have the data in a readable format. So you can see all that here. You can set up your own refresh cycle if needed, or you can filter the data sources if you want to find them, and you'll be able to see the summary of your knowledge base here. So that's all about the AI Studio 2.0. Now, number two, as an extension to AI Studio, is we have launched something called as custom answers. So if you have built GPT bots, you have noticed that sometimes the bot can give a wrong answer, right? The AI can give you incorrect answers. This could be for multiple reasons. Either the data is duplicated at different places in the system, or the instructions are not brief or specific enough. To solve this problem, we launched custom answers. Here, what happens is on the screen, you'll be able to see all the questions asked to the AI. You can see the reactions that users have given, whether they gave a thumbs up or a thumbs down. And if you feel an answer is incorrect, all you need to do is just click on modify answer, type out the right answer, and click on save. The moment you do this, this answer will be added to that knowledge base, and the next time people ask these questions, the AI would prioritize your answer over the others. Very easy, very simple, pretty straightforward. Number three is function calling. So predominantly, GPT bots were static, meaning you upload a set of documents or URLs and the bot would answer things from those URLs. But with function call, we made that quite dynamic. So you can now create functions like this, where you can define what that function does, what are the fields that this function requires to get executed, and you can write your JavaScript which will perform that operation. So with this example here, we're trying to fetch the weather of a specific location. So we've written a code here which calls that API, gets the response, and the AI uses that response to generate an answer. So like this, you can create different functions for your own use cases, and this would make your AI a lot more smarter, personalized, and super cool. So that's function calling. Uh, Then we have testing the bot. So far, anyone who were testing the bots on WotNot, you had to click on this button, but doing that would start the bot from the beginning of the flow, right? So if you had a very huge flow, it would unnecessarily eat up a lot of time. So now we are launching testing the bot from anywhere. So all you need to do is just hover your cursor on the block where you want to start testing from, and you'll find this play icon. So just click on it, and it'll start the test from that specific point in the flow. So you can test it at anywhere within your workflow. So you can try it, and this should save you a lot of time. Lastly is customizations on chat widget. So on our chat widget on the web interface, we show this back button here. What this does is it shows all the historical chats of the chatbot. So you can see the previous interactions I had with this bot previously. So if you don't want to show this back option, you can just check this out or uncheck it. And number two is you can define the behavior when the page refreshes. So when the page refreshes, do you want to continue the conversation till where the conversation actually took place, or you want to restart it from scratch? So these two configurations have been added here. Well, those were the updates for June. We hope you liked it, and we have put down the link to a brief detail about all these feature updates, so you can check them out and let us know what you think.